Okay guys, this is the second coat I'm applying. I did the copper paint, which will give me my green patina right here. And then the first part, the iron paint. And I'm going to start the second coat. That's the darker color. Even though this chair was painted charcoal gray, you can still see the difference in the grays. This gray is a little lighter, so I'm going to follow it the best I can. And I'm going to do the copper right away at the same time. They're both dry. And then spray it. Because I don't really want to do one, spray it, come back, and then spray it again. I'm going to try to do it all at once. So, you get the iron one on first for the rust effect. And try to go exactly where I had iron before. Like I said, some of it's not going to be exact. You just got to do the best you can. It is what it is. So, I'm going to try to work fast because I don't want it to dry. I'm outside to use this product because of the spray I'm going to use. Even though I used it inside last night, and honestly, it wasn't bad to me. But I'd rather do it out here on the spray or on the tarp. So I'm just going back over wherever I can find my old iron paint, and I'm doing the second coat. I'm just dabbing it. Doing it kind of thick too because it'll take longer to dry, so hopefully it'll stay damp until I spray it. Keep mixing it a bit. Dab, dab. Dab, dab. Not being perfect, whatever it gets, it gets. Either way, the charcoal gray from the chair I painted will still show up, so that'll help. Got a lot of texture going here from being so thick. Go back over and try to mash some down. Okay, let's see. Even if I get it over top of the copper paint, it won't hurt it. Either way, something will come out of it. Okay. Stirring it still. Make sure I get this bit here. Thinking I got most of it that I could see. And now I want to turn it sideways to get the sides. And this one, I think what I'll do is spray this like first before I worry about going to the other side, so I don't let it dry on me before I get there. Okay. Check back here, see if I'm missing anything. Okay, so then I'm gonna do the rust. Doesn't matter if like that dries over there, the other leg, because you can go back over it. But what I want to do is get the copper going. Hope you guys can see. Mix it really good. Now I'm going to start dabbing the copper on so I can spray it before it dries. Trying to go over all the areas I had done previously. Some will be thinner, some will be thicker. Stir it up again, get some more. I think I'm just going to focus honestly on this leg because I'm afraid that's going to dry outside here before I can get it sprayed. Trying to follow my previous marks best I can. Get some more just to make sure it's nice and thick. Okay. Stirring it up again, adding more, trying to find the other previously painted iron, actually copper, I'm sorry, and try to follow it the best I can. Give some of this a spray too because I'm in this area, so I might as well do it. And like I said, see how it comes out. If you need more, you just can go back and do more. So that's why I'm not being too particular. I'm just spraying it or pouncing it on and hoping for the best. Trying to get the same effect I had before, which is hard to recreate, but it is what it is. And I want to add some more, gross, some more of the copper or the iron to this part before I spray it. I'll put this lid on just enough to cover it. Trying to hurry up so I can spray it and you guys can see me spray it. Okay, put some of the copper on now. Why do I keep saying copper? Iron, 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 iron. I'm creating a hodgepodge of mess here. Some more. Okay, got it super thick. Go back a little bit in case some of it dried up. I think that's just the old charcoal. Oh, still put it on, better safe than sorry. Okay, I'm gonna spray it because I don't want it to dry out anymore, and I'd rather come back and put more on than let it all dry. So, they say shake it well, so I'm going to start with the blue first for the iron. Going in a pattern, trying to remember where you sprayed. I got a lot on there, so it's actually dripping off, and I don't mind that, so we'll see what happens. And I'm actually going to put some green on too. Now I got it soaking pretty good, so it's really dripping. Got a lot of puddles on it, so I'll just try to soak some up, even though I think the puddles are gorgeous. And I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. I can see some of the copper turning green already. The iron looks to be a bit blue, so I'm hoping that's gonna darken up and become rust. It could be because I sprayed both colors. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna wait and see. Okay, guys, I'll be back when I get some kind of effect finish for it. Bye.